I'm going to go through all the slides that I went through this morning, a lot slower. And the most important thing for me during this presentation is I want a lot of feedback and I want to do a lot of interactive conversation.
I work in the luxury industry and I'm constantly frustrated by the pace of adoption of new technology. While luxury talks a good game about being innovative, they're actually not. They're sheep. So what I want to know from you is, how do you take a heritage brand, most of them are the big ones, the ones who actually have the money to invest in technology and innovation, how do you persuade them?
You have to do things that they don't want to do. There's a personality of an individual that forces the organization to move, and it's really a question of you. This is an example of trying hard enough. All right? One of my peers created the MIMO system, which is being funded by Vinod Khosla, Intel, IBM. It will be in every store. This stuff, when he did this in 2006, was not even acceptable in any way, shape, or form. This will be in the wall of every retailer. Prada in New York, when they opened the Prada store, worked with IDEO and a couple other firms to develop this. And if you had seen or were there or have any knowledge of this system, it was the most ridiculously clunky thing that was running on a 386, if everybody remembers those, right? It was like a Pentium, not even a Pentium, it was a 386, 486 Intel processor. The thing was so slow it was ridiculous, but it could still do it, and it cost so much money. But Prada did it as an art installation. And this is where I'm going to start to bring things, closer together. Art and design and technology is the way that things get done. In 2006, we designed the movable pin design for a building facade for Louis Vuitton. We presented it to them, and we tried for years to get it picked up. I tried every organization in the world. Although in 2006 that we got all of the awards and all of the articles written about us and all of the interviews, it never got done. Ultimately, the Russians picked it up. This particular project with the technology that we designed, Golden Cannes Lion Award, $12 million in revenue, a social media success.